Are you upgrading your Focus SE pre-facelift to a ST1 facelift focus front end and you find yourself with no headlights? Here's a tip. First, go ahead and remove and unplug your headlight. Then we'll go ahead and push in the socket and remove it through the back of the headlight. Then, finding these wires here, you'll want to connect them as they are both a ground. And your pre-facelift Focus does not have two grounds, it only has the one. So we're going to go ahead and cut open a fitting, a little clamp here, and merge the two together. Well, I hope this little video helped somebody out. I know it's probably a rare situation to where anyone would actually need this. But if you guys liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if we did help you out. And maybe post on our Facebook or Instagram and show us the results of your work. See you guys next time. Bye.